Attorney states handcuffs removed from JB at Fordent Hospital. JB's attorney just told WINS 12 news reporter Terry Satter that the felony warrant against Blake has just been vacated, handcuffs removed in his hospital bed, and the deputies has left his room at Fordert Hospital. On Thursday, Blake's father told the Chicago Sun-Times, "He can't go anywhere. Why do you have him handcuffed to the bed?" Blake's family said he's paralyzed after the police banged him in the back on Sunday. The Milwaukee County Sheriff's Office told the Associated Press that all hospitalized patients in police custody are restrained unless undergoing medical procedures, and it's working to ensure safe and humane environment for Mr. Blake. A reporter asked Governor Tony Evers about the handcuffs Thursday during a news conference. The Sun-Times is reporting that JB is handcuffed to his hospital bed. Does that concern you? The reporter asked. Hell yes. I would have no personal understanding why that would be necessary. Certainly, he's paid a horrific price already, being shot 7 or 8 times in the back. I can't imagine why that's even happening, Evers said. The state continues to investigate the shooting. WISN 12 News will have more on the story on WISN 12 at 5. This content is important from Twitter. You may be able to find the same content in another format, or you may be able to find more information on their website.